There is a new adventure at Buffelsdrift Game Lodge, the Heritage Nature Walk. Starting off with a game drive and then continuing on a comfortable 5-kilometer hike, leading you to the Bushman drawings at the nearby mountain cliffs. On the way, our professional guides will introduce you to nature, being surrounded by the fauna and flora in this biodome, as well as looking at the insect species and animal tracks that you will find as we hike on this adventure. So strap on your boots and come experience this adventure that will allow you to use all your senses to connect deeper with the Little Karoo and its history. This swirling trail passes dramatic scenes of the famous red rock formations of the Little Karoo, leading you to one of its most precious jewels, the Bushman drawings. Come to Buffelsdrift Game Lodge and experience nature.